This video is an overview of our project titled Wood Ash in Concrete Applications. Concrete has been a popular building material since the early days of civilization. It was originally composed of burnt limestone and sand. Since then, concrete mixes have been altered by many different ratios and additives for various applications. For our project, we based it on the use of fly ash in concrete. The concept was to use ash collected from burnt wood that is composed mostly of bottom ash, as it is much more abundant than fly ash. When used as a replacement to Portland cement, the ash failed to act as a suitable binding agent, and the result was a concrete with a strength less than 1 MPa. We also found that as an additive, it forced the concrete to retain more water to achieve the proper moisture content and reduce the overall strength, but ended up leveling off around 10 MPa. Due to the reduction in strength caused by the ash, the concrete fails to uphold the industry standards and is therefore unsuitable for concrete applications. To demonstrate the concrete strength, here are some brief demonstrations of the ash concrete.
Wow. Whoa.
Special thanks for this project go out to Steve Devdell, Francesco Tangora, and Laura McHugh.